Welcome back to Living 808. The breakthroughs in cancer treatment that are saving lives today have their beginnings in past research projects and clinical trials. Now, Dr. Richard Lee with the Cancer Center of Hawaii is here to talk about how patients can access state-of-the-art medical treatments and help advance medical science by participating in these trials. Hello, doctor. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
For people who may not be familiar with clinical trials, can you explain what that is?
Yeah, in medicine, physicians and scientists are always working together to improve cancer care treatments. And clinical trials are ways for patients to get access to those state-of-the-art treatments in a controlled fashion. And the way they do it is by going through rigorous processing through different phases of clinical trials. And the process can be long and hard, but with a lot of effort and different testing, but it results in a lot of good outcomes in terms of today's treatments, variety of drugs, different variety of surgical and radiation techniques, and improve outcomes. The way we have our outcomes today is totally different from 50 years ago because the advancement through clinical trials.
Yeah, I think, you know, clinical trials sounds scary, right? Because maybe you're testing a drug that hasn't been FDA approved or whatever the case. But really, you are helping to advance medicine, right, and help with these cancer treatments. And I actually know people personally that have been part of clinical trials, and they have had really wonderful results. So it's certainly worth looking into, right? What are some of the cancers that you treat or that you're looking for these clinical trials?
Some of the cancers that we're looking at could range from lung cancers, looking at radiation treatments and their radiosensitizers, pancreas cancers, looking at radiation, different radiation in conjunction with chemotherapy, and head and neck trials, looking at biomarkers to personalize the radiation treatments and systemic treatments to whether it would work for them or not. But all of this wouldn't be possible unless we work through the University of Hawaii Cancer Center. And they're one of the few cancer centers that has the designation of a National Cancer Institute. And only a few of them in the country has this, and we have one in our own community.
Wow. Well, that was going to be my next question, is who puts on these clinical trials?
Yeah, and that's run through the community physicians in conjunction with the University of Hawaii Cancer Center. Every month we meet with the staff at University of Hawaii to discuss the ongoing and current trials and to see whether they would be benefited in the community of Hawaii. And if they've shown to be benefit, it goes to the next step where they are evaluated by biostatisticians, pharmacists, coordinators to assess whether they're feasible to be run here in our community.
This is huge because people are inquiring or wanting to be a part of clinical trials all the time, and I bet a lot of people don't realize that we have one here in our community. You know, you don't have to go to the mainland to be a part of a clinical trial.
Yes, and that's one of the advantages of having a National Cancer Institute in your own state.
Yeah.
So.
Great. Dr. Lee, thank you very, very much. If people are watching and maybe they have a type of cancer that you mentioned that you're needing people for the clinical trial, where can they get more information?
You know, ask your physicians, because we always have coordinators from UHCC that's evaluating the patient's chart to see if they're eligible for a trial. And if they're eligible, we'll present it to them to see if they're interested in participating in a state-of-art treatment in a controlled manner.
Okay, that's good to know, because just because you have a certain kind of cancer doesn't mean that you're eligible. There are all these requirements, or sometimes you have to be in a certain stage of cancer and so forth. So that's good to know. But thank you very much for sharing this info with us.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
We are going to have much more on Living 808 when we come back. Stay with us.